In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a physical product to your online store using Squarespace. Whether you're a seasoned business owner or just starting out, this guide will help you navigate the platform with ease and ensure your products look appealing to your customers. Let's jump right into the first step. To start, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Squarespace website. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to do so at this point. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Squarespace homepage, which serves as the central hub for all your website management tasks. Make sure you're comfortable navigating here, as it'll be your go-to place for site updates. Now let's move on to the next step. You'll want to locate the Products section on your Squarespace dashboard. This is typically found in the main menu, which is on the left side of the screen. Once you click on it, you'll see various options related to product management. Here, we're interested in adding a new item, so go ahead and click on Add a Physical Product. This will open up a new page where you can enter all the details about your product. This is where the fun begins. First, you'll input the name of your product. Make sure it's descriptive, but also straightforward so customers understand what they're purchasing. Next, you'll want to upload an image. This is an essential step because visuals significantly impact buying decisions. It's a good idea to use high-quality images that showcase your product from different angles, which can really make your listing stand out. After you've added the name and image, the platform will guide you through some additional steps, such as setting the price, adding a description, and managing your inventory. These fields are crucial as they inform the customer about the product details and help in managing stock levels accurately. Make sure to fill them out accordingly, and if you need help at any point, Squarespace provides useful tooltips to guide you. Once all the necessary information is inputted and you're satisfied with how everything looks, simply save your changes. You'll notice that the product now appears in your Squarespace product catalog, ready for customers to explore and hopefully purchase. And just like that, you're done. Adding products to an online store shouldn't feel daunting, and I hope this guide has made the process a bit easier for you. Squarespace is designed to offer a seamless experience for business owners, especially when it comes to product management. As you continue adding more products, you'll likely become even more comfortable with the platform, mastering all it has to offer. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more detailed guides. Happy selling!